Here are the steps on how to watch games on the ESPN app. First up, you need to download and install the ESPN app. The ESPN app is available for free on iOS and Android devices, as well as on select smart TVs and streaming devices. After that, you need to create an ESPN account or sign in into an existing account. Basically, you will need to have an ESPN account in order to watch live games on the app, so you will need to create an account for free by providing your email address and password. Well, after that, you will need to go here on the search button and you need to find the game you want to watch. You can browse the ESPN app by sport, league or team. Let's say that I want to watch NBA. I will type in NBA also, and as you can see here, you can see all the details. Some additional tips for watching games on the ESPN app. Make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Streaming games requires a lot of bandwidth, so make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection or a good cellular data plan. Close other apps that are running in the background. This will help to free up resources and improve the performance of the ESPN app. Use the app settings to adjust the video quality. You can choose from a variety of video quality options depending on your internet connection speed. And the last one, use the app's full screen mode for an immersive viewing experience. This will hide the controls and other distractions so you can focus just on the game. And that's it, guys. Hope that this video will help you and we will see in the next one.